Alright, so I'm on my way to weigh this car. We're gonna be going up to like some truck stop that has a cat scale, so we're gonna find out how much this car does weigh now that we've done a little bit of weight reduction. Let me know down in the comment section right now, what do you guys think this car is gonna weigh? I know stock, full weight, these are like 3,300 pounds, 3,400 pounds, something like that. So I'm curious what the car weighs with the seats taken out, the trunk gutted, as well as the added weight of the Supercharger and obviously the intercooler. So we're about to pull up to this weigh station. I've actually never weighed a car before either, so I have no idea how to do this. I'm assuming I just drive up to the scale, press a button, and maybe have to go in and pay for it. But we'll see. Alright, so I'm at a weigh station and it's a cat scale. Now, I didn't know that these cat scales are strictly only for semis, because the buttons to operate that shit are like way too high, like to the point where I'm not gonna be able to reach it even if I were to stand on the car, which I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna have to go find another weigh station that doesn't use a cat scale, or at least has some type of system to where I can just like press it if I had like a normal vehicle, because literally it's gonna be impossible for me to use. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, like the shit to operate that scale is way up there. I literally just watched the truck use it just like to have an idea. There's no possible way I'm gonna be able to go ahead and operate that. So we're gonna have to go to a different weigh station. Damn, that kind of sucks. Days later, we're just out for a midnight cruise, just enjoying some cooler weather for once. Got the homie with the Cobra in front. It's finally not 100 degrees outside, so it's a good night to bring the cars out. If you guys are wondering, this is like the inside, I guess, POV sound, with like the whole car pretty much like gutted, no seats at all, just the driver's seat, fully catless exhaust. It's not bad at all. You can easily drive the car, cruising 61 miles an hour, something like that, like 1900 RPM. There's like little to no drone. It's very livable in here. 5th gear, just cruising. It's definitely something you can daily drive if you wanted to, without a doubt. Without a doubt, you could definitely daily drive it. The gas mileage might be bad, but as far as just drone, and if it were to be annoying, it's definitely not bad the way it is right now. It is literally storming like crazy as well. Hell yeah. I want to do like a flyby. Hell yeah. gonna be storming too bad because I'm on the radials and shit. Almost a year. Hasn't quite yet been a year. Almost a year. It doesn't beat driving through downtown Chicago. I like the weather out here a lot better, even though it is hot as fuck. But it doesn't beat driving through downtown Chicago, because like that hits different at night. This is pretty cool, but driving through downtown Chicago really does hit different. Alright, so I just did a pull with my homie and the car will like not start. It has like power. I don't think I have like any fuel pressure at all. Like it's struggling to turn. Fuel pump. I think it's my fuel pump, literally. Dude, I just did a pull and look at this. Throttle body just flew off. Alright, so I just did a pull in the car with my homie. We were just cruising and my throttle body actually just came off the car. So that's kind of crazy. Literally on the side of the highway right now, I was like, fuck. I was like, there's no way something just happened. At first I was like, oh shit. But then I was like, wait, maybe it's my fuel pump. Then I look under the hood, throttle body's popped off. So I'm literally gonna have to go ahead and just like shimmy this back on the car. Hopefully it starts up and then drive extra careful because this thing just straight popped off. Alright, so I made it home. The car is home. I had to wait for my homie to arrive with a flathead screwdriver so I can go ahead and just screw everything back down. The funny thing is, I actually cleaned the throttle body the day before because the car was having like some high idle and I was like, okay, maybe it's my throttle body needs to be cleaned because it hasn't been cleaned in a couple months. It was actually like very clean, so I was like, okay, what the hell's going on? So I just kind of bolted everything back up, screwed everything back on, and I guess I just didn't screw everything on as tight as I should. Cause I did like a 50 roll with them just for fun, and as soon as I shifted in the third, it just blew off and then the car just lost all power. I was like, fuck. At first, I didn't lose oil pressure, so I was like, okay. I immediately thought my fuel pump. I just completely just burned my fuel pump out. I was literally over half a tank too. I was like, there goes the fuel pump. But after kind of further inspection, noticed that I just blew that hose off. So went ahead, put that intake tube back on there, resecured the hose that was on the intake tube a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right now. So this whole intake tube came off. The intake tube right by the throttle body came off, and this hose right here was off. So I kind of went ahead and bolted everything back up, and we're good to go. Now the car still has the high idle. I think it's the IAC that's gone bad. Honestly, I've never replaced the IAC in this car. God knows when the last time this was replaced, so that's gonna be my next to-do list, is to replace the IAC. Luckily this happened like not during like a race event or something like that, just a fun run on a highway. That would have been fucked if this would have happened. And a cop showed up because, well, obviously, what are we doing? So luckily it just happened a fun run. So able just to get it, you know, fixed on the side of the highway. Came back home. What I actually am gonna do is I'm gonna actually go ahead and put this bolt here. I'm actually gonna put this on the other side over here. So just in case it don't hit the throttle body, because it is kind of close to it, so I need to make sure that's not gonna hit. But other than that, I think we're good. I think we're good. The IAC just needs to be replaced because the car has a high idle, and sometimes it does die if it is sitting just at idle. But yeah, old car problems, I guess shit box problems. Man, it's always something with this car, man. There's always something. This is literally why I went ahead and got that whole new motor setup just to replace everything under the hood. This is literally why. Hope you guys did enjoy Misadventures of Ears. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.